Now you have followed all my steps. I'm glad you reached so far. If you have any more problems, if you have done all these steps, if you have done all these steps, again, if you have done all these steps, look me up on Facebook, send me your introduction video, and I'll make a shout out for you, and I'll help you promote your business, and I'll send you the step towards course number 2 towards making yourself more successful. This course has received a lot of hype. A lot of people have watched it, but I'm not very happy that a lot of people are not taking the steps which are needed to do this. All the steps which I have given you here have come through my experience of my life over the years, and I have been very successful in majority of them. Nobody can be successful in every time, but the success rate of you will be hugely high if you follow these steps. They're very simple steps, there's a very simple process, but I have tried them all and I have tested them all and they really work. So congratulations, share this course with your friends, make sure they have watched this. If you have any questions, feel free to inbox me so that we can add them in the next show, in the next episode of this course. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch this video and share this video with your friends. Take care. Bless you.